Learn how you can copy and paste in MacBook. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. As you can see, I have two folders here. This is just for demo purposes. To copy anything, just right-click from your mouse or from your touchpad and select Copy option here. If you don't want to miss these types of tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to tutorials.globally.com channel. Now, again, right-click here and then select Paste Item option here. Now, suppose you want to copy anything from your keyboard without mouse or touchpad. So, you need to click Command and C key from your keyboard to copy anything. Now, after copying anything you want, now click the Command and V key from your keyboard to paste the item. Friends, here is something special for you. If you want to connect with me, or if you need any help, then you can join our Facebook group and I will help you there.